Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. We are getting ready to make Lay's original potato chips. It's a copycat recipe, but oh so delicious. Nice and crispy. But before we get started, if you are new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out today here in my kitchen with me. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your loyal support. And for my channel members, oh my goodness, thank you so much for your loyal, faithful support. Come with me, I'll show you what to do. Okay, so you can use as many potatoes as you want, but the first thing you need to do is peel them, and then as you're peeling them, put them in some cold water so that they won't turn brown. So you just want to get all of your peel off, or as much of it as you can. We're going to get these peeled and I'll be right back. Now we're getting ready to slice our potatoes. You need to slice them really thin, and a mandolin does work best. For those of you all who remember when I sliced part of my finger off, I am now using proper protection with my mandolin. Mandolin, if you have one, really does the trick because you can get them super thin, but you can use a knife. Just take your time, no matter what method you use. So we're going to get these sliced, and then I'll show you exactly how thin they are after I get all mine sliced, and we'll be back. Now you want to rinse them, drain the water, and rinse them again until your water is pretty clear. Your potatoes should be sliced thin enough that they are bendable. They should bend back and forth. You want to rinse them off really good. Then we're going to head to the stove. Okay, take a pot of water, cold water, and put your potatoes in the cold water. And bring them up to a boil. Once they come up to a boil, we're going to boil them for exactly 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. So that we can bring this up to a boil slowly, put your pot on medium heat and bring it up to a boil slowly. And then at that medium heat, let it boil for 2 minutes. They are now boiling over medium heat. Boil for 2 minutes. Once they've boiled for 2 minutes, take them out and put them on a platter or a plate. And I will meet you all back at the counter. Okay, we have our potatoes here. Now we are going to put them out on our paper towels in a single layer. Single layer all over the paper towels. We're going to let them dry. Make sure they are cool enough to the touch. We're going to let them dry for about 10 or 15 minutes. I am using peanut oil. You can use any high heat oil that you like. We're going to pour some in here and heat this oil up on medium high. You don't want it so hot that as soon as you put your potatoes in, they brown like that. You want to give them a chance to cook and brown naturally. So we're going to let this come up to temp and we'll be right back. Okay, so our oil should be up to temp. You want to put them in there one by one. You can put quite a few in, but don't overcrowd the skillet. Just want to cook these until they are nice and golden brown, turning occasionally. how nice and golden brown they are. Crispy, oh my goodness. Make sure you put them on a wire rack and not directly on paper towels. Okay guys, we are all done. We're going to do a taste test. Salt according to your taste. And you can also feel free to put some other seasonings on here as well. I just like the plain ones. Oh my goodness, look at that. Don't they look amazingly delicious? Yes. We're going to do a taste test, but before we do, once again, if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out today here in my kitchen with me. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Channel members, thank you for your loyal, faithful support. Oh my goodness. We got to give this a taste. I know y'all heard that crunch. I know y'all heard that crunch. Oh my goodness. These are amazingly delicious. No preservatives, no additive, just regular potatoes. And guess what? You can use any potato you want. I'm gonna tell you something. Two things. When you are frying these up, and you might think they're not quite ready, they're not this golden brown, take them out. They turn darker as they cool. So make sure you don't let them overly brown in the oil. Second of all, unless you are making these just for yourself, you better make some for everybody else, because this bowl, I need to hide. Yes, I need to hide. Okay. Boy, I will see you all next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye.